Hi guys, we're into sixth, seventh week of lockdown. I've lost track of time. It's a beautiful day today again. So frustrating that we can't get out. Anyway, a little bit different. We're almost run out of jobs to do on the boat. Who says boating life is a life of working? So just going to do a little bit around and about Hull and some of the jobs and work that's going on in the city or close to the edge of the city and the waterways. It's a cat's life. The silence of lockdown. All the streets are quiet. This is part of the old town of Hull.
The horses used to go down the middle, so they had the rough ride on the hoofs.
And even the major roads through Hull are quiet in lockdown. And now we look at some of the wonderful street art that's around in Hull, both on some building sites and along the old riverside of Hull River.
Like that one, month off work. Like it. Some lovely work.
This is some of the ongoing work on flood defences, a £42 million scheme by the Environment Agency. And here we have dredging going on in front of Albert Dock, that never-ending battle against nature, moving the shifting sands. Oh, I do wish they would do the same in front of our dock.
That's the reason the boat's rocking. I'm glad I don't have to pull that anchor up by hand.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and hit that like button.